Do you have some students in your classroom who just don't participate, either because they're shy or they're not engaged? I want to show you a great tool today called Kahoot. Kahoot is an engaging student response system like Socrative or eClicker. But what you're getting with this is really excited game-based learning that has music, a timer, and a leaderboard. I'm Amanda Parisher, and I want to show you how you can make EdTech work for you. First, go to getkahoot.com. Sign up for your free account. On Kahoot, you can create a new quiz, which has right answers, a new discussion, or a new survey, which do not have right answers. Let's create a new quiz. Simply add your question here, drag and drop an image, and add in the answer choices. Then click on the one that's correct. Add more questions to build out your quiz. At the end, you'll be able to rearrange the order of your questions. I would suggest adding an image here to make it more engaging. If you don't, they'll put their Kahoot logo in, which makes the question a little small. Let's see what this looks like when we play it. First of all, you can see the bright, exciting colors, and there's music in the background as well. One thing I really like about this is when you click launch, it pops up right on the screen exactly where students should go and exactly the game pin they should put in nice big, bold letters. Let me show you what this looks like on a student device. So my student's going to enter their game pin and add their nickname. As students join the game, you'll be able to see their names added to this area underneath the word Kahoot. When all your players are there, click on Start Now. Here's what it looks like on the teacher screen. And you can see, because I didn't add an image, it added this Kahoot in. Here's what it looks like on the student device. What's really interesting about this is that you don't actually see the answers. So a student has to look closely at the board to try to figure out what the answers are for the red triangle, the blue hexagon, the green square, or the yellow oval. You can see over here a timer, and there's some background music playing as well. When the student chooses their answer, it tells them if they're correct or incorrect, and it tells them what their position is in the class. As all the students choose their answer, as a teacher, you'll see the class distribution. When you're done with your quiz, there are reports available about how each student did on each question that you can open in Excel. So this can be great for formative assessment. I found that students found this really engaging, being able to add in pictures and have that music and the timer. There's also a leaderboard so that every time you finish a question, it shows you who answered the question correctly and who answered the question the quickest. It only shows the top 5 so that students who answered slower or answered it wrong don't feel discouraged. I found that students found this so engaging that the person who won in my high school class came up and took a picture of themselves standing next to the scoreboard with their name as the winner. It also helped some students who didn't participate because they were shy really get involved. I would definitely recommend trying out Kahoot.